Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need
sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla, eggs, lemon or lime. I like mine with lime because I feel like lime zest is stronger and it brings a really nice flavor and smell. Butter, milk. I am also going to use grapefruit and your fruit of choice. I'm using blueberries for mine. So I have cut my butter into pieces, smaller pieces, because we're gonna go ahead and use our hands to mix this together. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm just gonna pour my butter, and it should not be at room temperature. It should be cold butter. Like I said, my hands are clean. I'm gonna mix that together. If you have a butter cutter, use that, but if you don't, use your hands. It's gonna take more time with your hands, but it's gonna be worth it. Now you're just gonna just press that between your palms. This is gonna give you that flaky scone look and taste. You're not melting the butter, you're just making it flat. This is also the time to add your vanilla. Pour your wet ingredients in the middle. And you're going to use your spatula to mix it together. Then after this, you're going to transfer into your working space.